My friends, how are you? I'm Andres Neshudo. These right here are the perfect accessories for your iPhone or your Android, no matter which model you have. And these headphones here were made in collaboration with Bose, And I'm also going to show you an essential gadget for your phone, especially if you use it a lot. All these gadgets are from the brand Baseus and they're already available in Mexico. Plus they now have special prices for the hot sale. So stay until the end so you can see the unboxing and everything you need to know about these products. Let's start with the one I'm most excited to open, which is the Baseus Inspire X-H1 in collaboration with Bose. So let's see what's inside the box. Let's get right to it, just how I like it. But first, tell me what you're drinking. While you're watching this video, I see you. I'm having an espresso, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Technology doesn't have to be complicated. Now, let's get to the unboxing. Look, what stands out the most about these headphones is the collaboration with Bose. Okay, these are headphones with noise cancellation. Headphones that will give you excellent sound quality and clarity, not just for listening to music, but also for your calls. They're wireless headphones, and as you can see, they have LDC technology and Dolby audio. They're really full-featured, and when you find out how much they cost, you're going to go as crazy as I did, and you're going to love them. Just like I'm loving them, they even have up to minus 48 decibels of ANC, perfect for blocking out external noise, so you can focus on the music, videos, movies, or whatever you're watching. And they also have up to 100 hours of battery life, as well as Super Bass 3.0 technology. These are the Inspire X-H1 with noise cancelling. So let's do the unboxing. This really outdid themselves with this product because, like I keep saying, the price to quality ratio is amazing. As you can see here, we also have the high-res certifications, and here a bit more of what I was already telling you about. These headphones are known for being very comfortable since they have cloud comfort technology. And well, now what we all want to see. Let's open them. Done. Are you ready? Let's see what's in the box now. Premium, as they should be, and wow, they look really good. Something I like is that they're very light. They don't weigh much. I'll show you a bit more. Now, we have the user guide, and that's it. Pretty minimalistic, as it should be. I love minimalistic things, minimalistic products. And now let's check out these headphones that give you a lot for their price. How about it? Here they are. Let's take them out. Oh, I love this moment. And wow, I mean, they're not heavy. They really remind me a lot of the famous Bose headphones. They have that look. Oh, they smell amazing. They're Bluetooth. Here we have the controls. As you can see, we can also connect an aux cable to them. We can connect them via USB also to recharge them. Here we have the controls to activate the ANC functions. Here we also have buttons to play, pause, increase and decrease the volume. And I suppose this one is the power button. Exactly, there it is. And they will go into pairing mode. They work perfectly with Android. They work perfectly with iPhone, with iOS. And also with your computer, it doesn't matter if it's Windows or Mac. These headphones are for many things. They can be used on the plane. They can be used for creating music, listening to music, watching movies. Here we're going to find the auxiliary cable, the AS cable. And now the moment of truth. Let's try them out and I'll tell you honestly how they are. Let's test them. Let's put the case aside. Well, look, first off, the noise cancellation. Let's see, I think I have it activated. Yes? No? Wow. I think that's it, done. ANC mode is now activated. They also have transparency mode. If you want to talk to someone or just listen while walking down the street, you can hear everything around. Something really cool is that they have Dolby spatial audio and come with 5 microphones, so your calls sound good and it will be listening through them to what's happening outside. and that way it will block out the sound so you can focus on your call, your movie, or whatever you're doing when you have these headphones on. All right, I'm connected now. This Inspire XH1. And now the moment of truth. Let's see, something I love is that they're compatible with iOS and with the system, and it tells me that I have 100% battery left. So it's the moment of truth. Let's see, let's play a Juanma song. I'd love to share the audio with you, but because of copyright issues, I can't, but wow. I mean, I really can't hear anything around me. I play with her and with you. I love her and I'll forget you. Wow, I just can't share the audio with you guys. I'd love to, but copyright issues prevent me. It even feels like I'm the one singing. Now, I'm really impressed. They sound better than headphones from some very well-known and expensive brands. And these headphones, for the price they have, are certified by Bose. And wow, honestly, I swear I didn't expect this audio quality. Seriously, wow. And as for the price, you can check it at the link. I'll leave it in the description. Because right now, if you take advantage, there's a hot sale offer. Wow, I'm impressed. You did a great job with this model. Now, how about I show you this accessory, especially for travel. It's a 10,000 milliampere portable battery. It's slim, it's quite portable. And it's the Baseus AM52. It meets all the standards, all the regulations. So you can take it with you on a plane trip without any issues. It has Key 2 certification for fast wireless charging, and also something cool is that it's compatible with MagSafe. Besides, it won't heat up your device. You can use it with iPhone, you can use it with Android. Let's see what's in the box. This accessory is also perfect for the product I was showing you, the gadget I showed you before, because you can use it to charge not only phones, it also works to charge your headphones, you can charge your tablet. Anyway, it's a 10,000 milliampere battery that can charge your iPhone several times. I love talking about new products. And this one is easy to use. We turn it on here. Here we can see how much battery we have. It charges through USB Type-C. It's reversible. You can use this USB port to charge another device, or you can also use it to charge the battery itself when it runs out. It has this pretty cool strap for hanging it on your backpack, or you can also use it to carry it by that strap. And you have the USB Type-C cable to charge your devices. For example, I connect it and that's it. It will start charging. And also, if I want to do it wirelessly, Qi 2, it will charge it. It's a pretty cool accessory, ideal for traveling, and combined with the Inspire XH1, they're pretty cool. Two accessories that I think you have to buy. You need both for your iPhone, for your Android, or for your computer. But let me know in the comments what you think about these two products. Which one was your favorite and what is your favorite feature? Let me see which one you're going to buy. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I want to invite you to subscribe. Don't forget to tell me what you were drinking during this video. I'm Andres Nesciudo. See you in my next video. Big hug to everyone.
Goodbye.